Hey guys, and welcome back. Today is big release day of Apple products, and we are taking a look at the last Apple product for today, the iPhone 13 in pink. Let's take a look, get some first impressions right after the intro. Hey guys, it's Matt and welcome back to the channel. After the iPad mini in purple and the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Sierra Blue, we are taking a look now at the last Apple product of today, being the iPhone 13 in pink. The packaging is consistent throughout the iPhone lineup this year and plastics removed, so the box is open like many accessories, removing the strips at the back of the packaging. And the iPhone reveals. And this is pink, the new pink color of 2021. Well, I was hoping for a more popping pink, a very hot pink color. That would have been great, a very interesting color. That is why I like my purple iPhone that much. But this year I think the colors of the Pro line are a bit more interesting to me. And this pink is a very subtle, almost whitish kind of warm white goldish tone. What are your impressions about the colors? Seeing it next to Sierra Blue? Well, for me, this year, the iPhone Pro lineup is the more attractive one, not just because of the colors. The colors are always kind of good, there are no really bad colors here. But this year, the iPhone 120Hz refresh rate from the Pro lineup is a very big step up in user experience. Some are more sensitive in terms of refresh rates, some are less sensitive. I'm on the side of those who are really perceiving those refresh rates quite significantly, and how I interact with the device is significantly determined by those rates and creating a completely different user experience for me personally. Those displays in combination with the very significant step up in the camera system of the Pro lineup makes the normal iPhone 13 at that price point almost a deal breaker. However, it is lighter and it is smaller, and some people like that, so there is a benefit definitely with the 13 lineup as well. And here we're taking it outside. And in bright sunlight it looks even more white. It is a nice color tone. It is a warm off-white kind of silverish golden kind of tone. And it is a great color. It is nice. However, it is not that hot popping pink some of us were waiting for. Maybe next spring, in the spring event, there's some room for a spring color, and that could be that hot pink. Today everything was a little bit Apple heavy and we had a lot of products released. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Thanks for watching guys. And as always, like, subscribe to the channel, that would really help me out a lot. Have a great rest of the day. Stay safe. See you in the next one.